Welcome to science class. Topic: chemical equations and reactions.
I'm having some sweetened milk. Ask me the recipe. It is milk plus sugar that gives sweetened milk. A recipe in chemistry can be like methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide and water. Now if we write CH4 instead of methane, O2 instead of oxygen, we get a chemical equation. Starting substances is called reactants and the new substances formed is the product.
Okay. The chemical equation of the combustion of methane or cooking gas is written as CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Is the equation correct? According to law of conservation of mass, the mass of reactants should be equal to mass of products in a closed system. Let's check if mass is same. If you count, we can see left side have 4 hydrogen and right side have 2 hydrogen. Left side have 2 oxygen and right side have 3 oxygen. So the mass is not the same. That means the equation is unbalanced. Now this is a balanced equation. The mass of reactants is equal to the mass of products. How to balance? Count atoms on each side. Add coefficients, numbers in front, to make them equal. Never change the chemical formulas, only add coefficients. What balanced equation tells us? 1. Exact ratios of reactants needed. 2. Amount of products formed. For example, if you burn 1 mole of methane, the equation shows you'll get 1 mole of carbon dioxide plus 2 moles of water. 3. No atoms are lost. Balanced equations obey the law of conservation of mass. Small diamond 4. Helps in calculations, stoichiometry. Balanced equations let chemists calculate how much reactant is required, how much product will be formed, whether something will be left over. Types of chemical reactions. 1. Combination reactions. Example is formation of water. 2. Decomposition reactions. Example is electrolysis of water. 3. Displacement reactions. Example zinc displacing hydrogen from acid. 4. Double displacement reactions. Example is silver chloride formation. 5. Precipitation reactions. These are double displacement reactions that form an insoluble solid, precipitate. Exothermic and endothermic reactions. Exothermic reaction. Definition: a reaction that gives out heat or energy to the surroundings. Surroundings feel hot. Example: burning wood, respiration, fireworks. Endothermic reaction. Definition: a reaction that absorbs heat or energy from the surroundings. Surroundings feel cold. Example: melting ice, photosynthesis, dissolving salt in water sometimes. What are redox reactions? The word redox equals oxidation plus reduction. Oxidation is loss of electrons or gain of oxygen or loss of hydrogen. Example: magnesium burning in air. Magnesium gains oxygen, so it is oxidized.
Reduction equals gain of electrons or loss of oxygen or gain of hydrogen. Example: copper oxide reduced to copper by hydrogen. Copper oxide loses oxygen and reduced to copper. When one substance gives oxidation, another takes reduction, together it is redox. Video by Anand Mohandas.